What we have here is an M18 orbit Sander. So let's actually open this up and see what we got. So this was on sale for I think around $100 at a Home Depot. I'll leave the link of this in the description in case you want to check it out. But yeah, it comes with this attachment here and then this one here, and it comes with this thing here. So this is where all your dust collects. It's really nice. It's a matte plastic that's darkened, it's tinted. So you know, all your stuff is in here, and then you can open this up. Or do you touch? I mean, it says it just shows a finger, so I think you probably pull this off or something. I don't know, but I guess you could open this to empty this thing. We'll figure that out later. There's just some instruction. Let me see if we could figure that out in the instruction. Yeah, and then alright, we moved to another language, but I don't think I still know how to. Alright, we'll have to figure that out. It just shows we to press this. I'm not sure how this works, but yeah, this is the dust collection system. And then we've got the sander itself. So this is what it looks like. It's a palm sander, you know, just go like that. We got 6 speeds. We are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you know, you can adjust that accordingly to your need. This is the I think it can like orbit in both ways, so you can switch directions. Or maybe this is just on and off. Yeah, I think it's on and off. That's funny. There's some writing on this, so I'm not sure where that came from. I don't know if you guys can see. It says 180 or something like that. I don't know. Maybe somebody returned this. I don't know. But we also got 2 sandpapers, 80 grit sandpapers. I believe both of them to be. Yep. So we got 2 sandpapers that you can put on this thing and then sand away. 80 grit is very normal for, I don't know, regular sanding. We don't need to be like super perfect. And we got this thing here with more information. But yeah, that's pretty much it on the palm sander or orbital sander. Let's put this on here so it clips in like. Well, the thing is, if I clip this in, I don't know if there's any. How do I even open this? I don't think you could open this. It's just a thing. So it's on, but I think I don't know how to open this honestly. But you could put your vacuum on this. My vacuum's all the way in the van, but you could put your vacuum on this and then that also works. Or, oh man, I could have just put this in. Alright, so that's what that is. This is for the vacuum, this attachment, and then, oh, this one is for this one. So for this one to work, you have to, you've got to connect this with that. So let's push this in, something like that. Yeah, push it in for some reason, but yeah, this is kind of what it is. I still couldn't figure this out. Maybe it's really tightly on there. There you go. I think you just gotta pull it really hard. And yeah, it's got filters, you know, so that's pretty nice. It's not gonna come back out, making it all dusty. So, do you have to put like pressure or something? No. Why is this not working? That's a little odd. Is there a switch I'm missing? Am I missing something? Not entirely sure what happened here, but it's not turning on. I don't know what happened there. Thanks for watching, guys.